Good afternoon, dear guests and judges. My full name is Daniel Raimbeckov. I'm a student at school lyceum named for Ұзынағаш village, and I'm in 10th grade. Today, represented topic is about my future profession, neurosurgery, and engineering life itself. Okay, let me take you into different world. Just close your eyes and imagine the room full of silence and brightness. And there is a patient whose brain is exposed by the injury. And the one decision maker, the Superman character, is neurosurgeon, because neuroscience and neurosurgeon makes our lives to go more easily and smoothly, because brain is the system like the artificial intelligence, and it saves our memories, thoughts, knowledge, and about the contact about our close ones and friends. And the two aspects why I choose it is, the first one is direct impact on people's brain and with their status, with their health, because the health is the most important willingness in our life. And next one is transformative demand across the world, when people can just have a need to surgeons like neuroscience and neurosurgeries. And neurosurgery a pillar of future medicine, because there are two aspects for this reason. High-tech treatment, one of them, which makes modern medicine more easily to go on. And the first one is the artificial intelligence and robots that makes our medicine to go more piece of cakely. And the next one is the demand in international level, because as the Harvard discovered in Kazakhstan, there are so many demand and need to neuroscience, neurological, neurosurgeries, and one of them is just the patients, that people who need to help is just traveling across the world to get that help and assistance by someone. And I just want to make it by our own self. And the evolution of the neuroscience and neurology is that, as you can see in the picture, in the 18th century, it was began and by just pioneering era and MRI development, the minimally invasive and microsurgery. There are 4 aspects of neuroscience, and this is the simple operation when it was in the 18th century. It's looks like so hard, so annoying, and so strong. The next one is that the neurosurgeon's role in our global world is that the diagnosis, treatment, the team collaboration and complex surgeries across the world, where every single person has their own thinking, own life, but there can be one issue to make our lifestyle to stop, and this is the injuries when it comes to our minds. The next one is that the pioneers who transformed medicine. The first one is Harvey Cushing, the first neuroscience in the history who made the traditional culture into the neuroscience and neurosurgery. The next one is Ben Carson. Ben Carson just discovered kind of the neuroscience aspect and treatment and mixed it with politicians and made it more easily for neurosurgeons. And the next one is Sergey Akshalakov. Sergey Akshalakov is the Kazakhstan's well-known doctor and neurosurgeon who has performed 5,000 operations for brain, spinal cord, and nervous system. And he's also well-known across the world. Next one is the qualities of an exceptional neurosurgeon. The essential skills for this profound skill is that the knowledge in biology and medicine. And the next one is that you should combine biology with chemistry to get into the universities, which teaches you to be in the hospital, laboratory, or even about the saving lives, or to be a professor in your life. And there are so many universities such as Johns Hopkins University, Harvard Medical School, and also Stanford, Duke, which is that kind of Ivy League list. And in Kazakhstan, the prestigious university in Kazakhstan is Asfendiyarov University, which teaches you to be a well-specialized, successful neurosurgeon. And there are the challenging in navigating the neurosurgeon. One of them is high responsibility and the most fundamental one, because the neurosurgeon are just bring the responsibility to continue the patient's lifestyle and to retain them into new, some healthy one. The next one is the neurosurgery in Kazakhstan, a vital need, because there are the growing demands for neurosurgeons in hospitals, in government hospitals, and in everywhere, even in the military, even in the schools. The people and the learners need the demand for the neurosurgery. And the next one is that my journey to neurosurgery begins in here and now. And in conclusion, I just want to say that neurosurgeon and neuroscience is the most essential part of our lifestyle. And I just want to become my dream profession maker.